Today I'm going to share with you the top 5 things that I like to pack for a cruise. Ready? Let's go. Number 1 is your passport. I know for some people this may seem obvious, but many people forget to pack their passport when they go on a cruise. It does make getting on and off the ship so much easier. There are some countries that you can go to that you do not need a passport, but it's very rare. So just make sure that you check what form of identification that you need to bring with you on your cruise. Number 2, something that I always forget to pack is sunscreen. I burn very easy, and I always forget to pack the sunscreen, so I end up buying it on the cruise ship, which of course is much more expensive than if you were to buy it at home. So please, learn from my mistake and just pack that sunscreen. Also, some countries are requiring swimmers to use reef-safe sunscreen to protect the wildlife. It is a bit more expensive, but totally worth it, especially if it helps to protect all those cool fish you will see. Number 3, electrical plug adapters are a must-have. Depending on what cruise line you're going with and where you're going, you may need electrical plug adapters. While cruise ships do have some outlets, they're pretty limited. I like to bring the universal ones. So that way, I know no matter where I'm going, I can use my phone, my laptop, or whatever else that I need. With an adapter, you can easily make sure you have enough outlets and the correct type so you can charge all your devices. Trust me, you do not want to be in a tug-of-war with your partner over who gets to charge their phone. Seriously, it'll make your trip so much smoother. Number 4 is over-the-counter medication. Cruise ships do have a lot of the over-the-counter medications, but they're very expensive. So, what I like to do is I bring a small first aid kit with me. I put all my prescriptions in there. I put some over-the-counter medications that I think I may need during my cruise. This might be Tums, Pepto-Bismol, Advil, whatever it is that you think you may need. Bring it with you. Also, if you wear glasses, make sure that you bring an extra pair with you, or contact lenses. That way, if something happens, or you break your glasses, you have something to fall back on. And number 5, I know this may sound silly, but I always forget to pack my patience. When I get on a cruise ship, I am so excited to get off the plane and just get to my room. But it takes time to get on the ship. It takes time to get to your room. So just remember to be patient. Sometimes things are going to go wrong. Your plans are going to change. Give it some time, relax, and have a wonderful vacation. Well, I hope that this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully, we'll see you on one of our road travels. Bye.